Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 camera not working on Zoom. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Turn on Camera Access. Turn on Let Apps Access your camera. Turn on Let Desktop Apps Access your camera. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.